All right, guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Chris. This is Getting By with DIY, and this is how I'm going to spend part, if not all, of my Labor Day weekend. Been trying to get this accomplished, but things keep piling up and getting in front of it. So I'm trying to consolidate some stuff, get some stuff moved from a 10 by 20 to a 10 by 10, and try to make room so that I can purge some stuff. Well, that means I got to haul some stuff off. So that means this right here, I've got to do a couple of quick things to my trailer. I was going to do a video just about refurbishing and updating my utility trailer, but this has forced my hand to do a couple of quick things so that I can haul this stuff around and be legal, because I've got my trailer lights are busted and my tires are in fantastic shape for 20-plus-year-old tires. So, I mean, I think I bought this trailer in 2003, maybe 2001. I don't know, but it's been a long time ago. And even though they hold air and they got tons of tread, they're dry rotting and stuff. So I ordered some new ones off Amazon. I ordered some new lights off Amazon. And I've ordered some other parts that we'll get into when I actually do a video about that trailer. But back to what's the deal at hand today. I have two right here, 10 by 20 units, and then one more right beside it. These two are open and that one's a single. So this is really like a 20 by 20. Directly across the way here on this building that you can see over here, almost directly across, there's 10 by 10s. So I'm going to be trying to purge some stuff into that unit. I bought a bunch of totes and stuff to try to get things organized so I can stack it better and make the best of the smaller space. I'm not going to show you all that, retoting and this and that. That's boring, blah, blah, blah. But I just wanted to let you know so that I could put out a video and show you why I'm not working on the speaker box, or why I'm not working on something else. This is what I had to do. My mom's AC took way more than longer than it should. It took a couple extra days, which means a couple extra weeks. I only had one day off. This was supposed to have been allocated to last weekend of getting all this stuff done before the first of the month, to not be billed for that unit and be billed for that unit. But like I said, stuff happens, and I'm sure y'all experience it as well. You kind of line things up and, well, life happens. But I'm going to I've got two new tires in the back of my truck that are for this trailer that I got from Amazon, and I've got some new lights, and I'm going to get them knocked out so that by the time I start taking stuff and going through stuff that's going to be trashed and get hauled off or whatever, I can load it on there and I know I can transport it legally and safely. And I'll cut back in once I start working on that and then update you then. All right, guys, got the lights installed on both sides. It comes with new wiring, and I will be installing that later, not today, if these will work with the old wires. I just need it legal to be able to haul some of this stuff off to the dump, etc. But like I said, I'm going to be doing a full video of a bunch of different things I'm going to be doing to restore this trailer and, you know, kind of just improve it a little bit. One of the things that I'll be doing is I bought some of these off of Amazon. If that'll focus. They're just like 3/4 inch round amber and red side marker lights. So I'm going to be putting a couple of lights down the side as well. You know, anything you can do to increase visibility, especially if you're going to be using it at night, is always a win. So when I do this, I'll also do the wiring, and I have to splice into it with these. So that'll be a project for another time. But I just wanted to let you know, I do got new wiring and I do got some extra lights, etc. And there will be a video about upgrading and restoring this. I think it's a 4x10, 5x10. I don't know. I don't remember. I bought some tires for this and wheels already mounted from Amazon. I wasn't paying a whole lot of attention apparently, but they're 15s. What's on there is 14s. The tires are probably about 2 inches taller total than the 14s, but that's all right. I've got some room in the fenders, you know, they'll be fine. I don't weigh this thing way down, but should have paid more attention, huh? Yeah, make sure y'all do. But yeah, we're gonna get this stuff knocked out at a later date. Just wanted to catch you up to where we are at the moment. Bring you back in soon. All right, guys, you can see it's still spinning. I was checking that after I put each one on. You see me spin it like that and jerk on it. I'm trying to test and see, you know, how the hub is, the bearings are, etc., without having to take them apart and all that. I will have to take them apart at some point because I don't know what size hub it is, but I will be buying some new hubs for it once I take it off and figure out what size. But that's future plans. That's not now. That's jacked up on the axle, so it's still under its own weight, which is nothing really. But you can see there's still a good gap there. Even though these are 15s and the other ones are 14s, you know, it's probably only about an inch bigger all the way around tire, because it's about 2 inches bigger total. And there was plenty of room in between that fender well, or fender, I should say, excuse me, fender and the tire. So it'll be fine. Alright, guys, I've got them wired up. I got the ground looped right there. I did take a wire wheel and clean that off, and I used some of this heat shrinkable butt connectors and things, this stuff right here. Let's see if this is gonna, I'll post a link if I can find one. I know I bought this stuff off of Amazon. I found this plug up underneath it, and the one on my trailer is pretty bad shape, but so is that one. You can see the wires here have been pinched a couple of times. You know, when you turn too tight like that and these wires are up here, they get pinched. So that's one of the reasons, another one of the reasons why I wanted to do a refurbish on this thing. And you can see the new wire right there in the thing. I just don't want to dig into that today. I can put my hazards on, they work, the blinkers work. I don't know about the brakes. I can't hold the pedal down and be back here at the same time. But the running lights do not work. Those halos aren't coming on, and there's nothing coming on the side. I'm assuming it's something to do with the those wires I showed you on the trailer plug, or some issues with the wiring up under the truck bed, because it is a mess under there. And when I realized that when I wired in that reverse camera right there, man, it's a mess under there. But I'm going to dig into that here pretty soon. That's going to be a project all of its own. Like I said, today I just wanted to get these new wheels and tires on and get some lights working. Oh, I went and bought me a hand truck, a much needed hand truck today from Home Depot. Look, you can go to Harbor Freight and they got one that's like $74, or you can go to Home Depot and spend $5 extra and you'll get one that is made in the USA. You can see the sticker right there. Now I'm a big, you can see it right there. I'm a big fan of trying to, when I can, buying stuff, you know, made in the USA. This is a Harper. It's available at Home Depot and it's $79, 80, just under 85 with tax for me. But this is my other unit, and I started going through it yesterday. Sorry I didn't show you the Absolute before. This thing is a mess. There was stuff stacked. When you see that stuff in the back there, there was stuff stacked all the way across the back. I've been going through some stuff, trying to figure out what I'm getting rid of. And I had to quit. I was so hot yesterday, it was unreal. So I had to quit. But this is the new unit. All of these right here in the front, that's trash. Those yellow ones there, and the yellow and those blue, those are all staying. And then all of this. This is just sat in here. This is not where it's going to live. But yeah, I got to consolidate everything in that third unit there over to here. And then, like I said, I'm hauling off a bunch of stuff, and that's what the trailer's for. So I had to do some just emergency repairs kind of thing, to ensure that I'm A, legal, and B, safe to do that. So now I'm going to throw these lights away and pick up the wire and clean up my mess, get that stuff put up, and I'm going to start working on that. It's finally kind of cool here in Georgia today. I think the high is going to be around 80 degrees, so that's a real big blessing. I guess that hurricane down there in the Gulf, or wherever it is, has caused this to be an overcasty day. It's not raining, not really calling for rain, not more than 10% chance, but nice and cool. There's a good breeze. I don't know if y'all can see them trees flowing around up there. Good breeze blowing, feels good. So we're going to get some stuff done, or I'm going to get some stuff done. Get this thing cleaned out, stuff loaded on that trailer, getting ready to haul it to the dump. All right, guys, I'll catch back up with you later.